Today I'm here with a short little cute bob from Tony of Beverly. This is Arya. She is a favorite. She's been around for years and years, and I have her in two colors. My name is Denise. I'm also known as Hey Wig Sister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm partnering with Name Brand Wigs to show you Arya from Tony of Beverly. I am going to do a part 2 with the colors because they are somewhat similar, and I thought it'd be a fun comparison to do Caramel Kiss versus Hot Cocoa, so you can find that in part 2. But today we are going to talk all about this cute, lightweight, low density, no permatease style from Tony of Beverly. She is made with regular synthetic fibers. She has a left side mono part and a lace front. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. Name Brand Wigs is a wonderful online retailer. I'll put some details below in the description as well as a link to this piece so you can go check her out at the Name Brand Wigs website. They really support this wig wearing community. I'm so grateful. Now, I've mentioned that Arya is a lightweight, low density piece. If that's your jam, this one could be for you. Look at that natural movement, really lightweight, not a lot of hair on this piece at all. Just enough that you don't have to worry about seeing the wefting, but it isn't heavy, it isn't full, very flat to the head, easily tuckable. The inside of the cap, we've got that left mono part, lace front, ear to ear, as you can see. We have ear tabs with bendable stays. There's no extended nape. We have Velcro adjusters, and it's open wefting throughout the rest of the wig. Now, I want to show you this lace front up close, and then I will switch on you so you can see the other one on me. There's that lace front. Like I said, it's ear tab to ear tab. So you have a lot of lace front. That gives you a lot of flexibility. If you like to pull your hair up off your face, you absolutely can. If you're outside in a wind and the hair blows back, you don't have to worry about anybody knowing that you have a wig on. It's a great lace front. The one I just had on my head is in the color Hot Cocoa, and this one is in the color Caramel Kiss. Let's look at this one from all sides. I really can't get over how lightweight this wig is. It's just so lightweight, so low density. You can see the highlights very heavily highlighted in the front on this Caramel Kiss color. And so that is one of the benefits of videos like this, is you can learn a little bit more, not just about the style, but about the color. Remember, I will have a separate part 2 with the colors so that this one video isn't super long, so stay tuned for that one. Now, Tony of Beverly is known for running really true to average. I'm actually finding a little variation in these two caps. I have this one cinched in all the way. I almost had to crisscross the adjusters because it was so loose on me. I didn't have to do that with this one, and so it's a great opportunity for me to talk about a little bit of variation that you might find with wigs within even the same brand. I have seen this within all of the brands. I have very often gotten a couple of different pieces of the same style, so 2 of the same style, and they don't fit me exactly the same. I don't know how to explain that except to say that a lot of the handmade nature of these items can impact that. I will also say that wig companies allow for a certain percentage of variation and still consider it to be acceptable. So just do keep that in mind. Just because one wig in a brand does or doesn't fit you doesn't mean that another wig in that brand won't be either better or worse, and I am finding some disparity between the two of these. They are running very true to average, lots and lots and lots of stretch. I've got some extra cap on the top, so I would say these are great for average, maybe even average large. If you're on the more petite side, you may have to get a little creative for these to fit you. I'm finding them to be running really big on me, and my measurements are in the description. Overall, this is a beloved piece. It's been around for over 5 years, and that says a lot. And if you like chin length or above, again, look at my measurements to make sure that's where it will fall on you. Straight, low density, no permatease. This could be a great one to consider. This one, you could cut bangs into it if you want to, if you're a bang wearer. So I do think there is some flexibility in making this one your own. Silky fibers, really realistic. Let me know if you have questions. Thanks to Name Brand Wigs. I think they're wonderful, and I'll put some details, like I said, below. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll talk about both of these colors. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.